Hey guys, so starting off with hair, I'm going to be wearing this new wig that I got from a company called Victoriaswig. So a few days ago I plucked the front of the hair, so the lace at the front. They do come pre-plucked as most companies say, but I definitely like to go over it myself just to give it a little bit more, attention so that the front can look a bit more natural. So before applying the wig, I just need to sort out my edges, honey, because they look a hot mess. The company actually sent me this handy brush, this kind of edge control brush. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah, it's basically for your edges for baby hairs. So I'm just using some gel and the brush just to lay my edges down nicely. And on goes a wig cap. Then I applied some Got2b gel around the perimeter of my head, just away from my hairline, and then I blow dried it for just a couple of seconds before then applying the wig. So I'm just laying the wig comfortably on my head, just making sure it's in the right position and making sure that it's laying nice and flat in the right places, especially the edges. Those corners and edges can be quite tricky. And then I'm just blow drying it again, making sure the glue is nice and dry. So for some extra hold, I'm applying the Got2b Glued Blasting Freezing Spray. I think that's what it's called. This is actually my first time using this spray. I actually never used to use it before. I used to just use the glue on its own, but my sister uses this and I just thought I'll give it a try, and it really gives it an extra hold. So yeah, I quite like it. And again, blow drying it, making sure the glue, or the freezing spray rather, is completely dry. Once the glue dries, it does sometimes leave white marks in some areas, not too much but just a little, so I'm just using a baby wipe to take that off. That pretty much does the trick. So I'm just pulling out some shorter hairs that I cut out when I was plucking the lace a few days ago so that I can create some baby hairs. Guys, please do not judge my baby hairs. I tried my best. I'm not that great with baby hairs, especially on wigs. Like on my own hair I can do them pretty well, but on wigs they're just, I don't know. It's not the best, but I did my best. Like, don't judge. I applied some mousse just to lay down the hair a little bit, and then I will tie my hair back and apply a scarf. Well, should I call it a scarf? Well, it kind of is a scarf. Basically the company sent me this kind of scarf kind of thing. I don't know what to actually call this because it's not a full scarf, but I thought it was so cute. I was like, yes, I've been looking for something like this to help me lay down my wig. So that's what I'm doing. And now onto the makeup. Whoosh! Starting off with my everyday primer from Rimmel before I go in with my current favorite foundation from Nars. I will list all the products in the description bar below, so don't worry about that. But yeah, this is my current favorite foundation from them. I love it, love it, love it. Using two concealers to highlight today. One is from Revolution and the other is from Colorpop. Again, I can't remember the names right now, so just check the description bar if you want the full product details. But yeah, just using that to highlight the usual areas. And then to contour, I will go in with my L'Oreal foundation stick. Yes, it's a foundation stick from L'Oreal. Again, check the description bar, guys. Setting those highlighted areas with Sacha Buttercup, and then it's onto the eyes. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, one of my favorite palettes. Guys, I'm so sorry. The camera was out of focus. I did not notice or realize while I was filming. I was really upset about that. But I'm basically creating a quick smoky eye. If you would like to see a tutorial on how I do this quick and easy smoky eye, then please drop a comment below and then I'll definitely film that for you guys. So next I'm applying these lashes. I actually got them from AliExpress and I absolutely love them. They were cheap, they came in a week, and I've used them like 10 times since. They're amazing. I'll definitely link them below. And then just finishing off with my face, you know, powder, contour, blush, the usual routine. So keeping the lips nude, I always feel like a nude lip always works well with a smoky eye. It's just a classic look, isn't it? So I'm using this lip liner from MAC. It's in Chestnut, I believe. And then I'm using this liquid lipstick from NYX, their Lip Lingerie. And I think it's in the shade Corset, I believe. Just a very, yeah, light nude. Now I'm just smoking out my lower lash line using the same eyeshadow I used on my eyes. It's basically black eyeshadow, just smoking that out nicely. And then I'll finish off with some setting spray. Back to the hair, I'm just cleaning off some makeup that got onto the baby hair, and I'm just going to finish styling by creating a cleaner center part, adding some foundation to the parting, and then straightening. I added a little bit of serum just to give the hair a subtle shine, and that is pretty much it for the hair. I added some highlighter to my nose and my brow bone. I totally forgot to do that earlier, so that's what I'm doing now. And that's it, guys. This is the finished look. So as an added bonus, I decided to create another hairstyle just to show the versatility of the wig. So tell me, which style do you guys prefer? Straight down, or do you like the half up, half down? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Thank you again, and I will see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.